We're building people's dreams here. It's like you're building it for yourself, and you'll always take much more care and pride. What you're looking at, a full nut and bolt restoration at Woodham, Mortimer, you're looking probably at over 2,000 hours. This particular car we're talking about behind us is a 1964 very early 4.2 E-Type, supplied by Coombs of Guildford to Jack Brabham's organisation. Jack Brabham was an Australian racing driver that came over here, and he won the World Championship 3 times and was a fantastic character and a brilliant driver in all classes, but particularly in Formula 1. And for him to own one of these iconic cars, as all the famous people did at the time, it's a wonderful thing. And we're so happy to be able to restore a named car like this. We are doing a restoration on this car, but with some upgrades. As you look around the car, you will see some brake and suspension upgrades. The car would have been, possibly modified in period, but we're sort of looking into, safety upgrades really. Suspension, as you can see, the coilovers on the car, the front braking system, the rear braking system, but pretty much the car is quite standard. And you would do this with this car with this sort of pedigree and heritage and owned by such a famous person. You wouldn't want to go too far from its original format. But we have a fantastic team here, and we all work together as a team. As you say, we have the engine shop, we have the body shop that do a fantastic job on the body restoration, and each person, then we have a project manager. And what we try to do is we have one man responsible for that project. And that's important because it's like you're building it for yourself, and you'll always take much more care and pride. It's been lost for many years, and to bring a famous E-Type owned by a famous character back onto the circuit is very exciting for us. The sense of achievement for the team when we produce a beautiful car like this is fantastic. Obviously, with today's client base, people want good brakes, good steering, and reliability. So there's certain things in the car that we will change automatically to make the car drivable, much more drivable. And the original braking system just really wasn't up to much. So we constantly try and improve that. Things like electronic ignition, we would put that on there. Obviously would make the car more reliable. Better cooling systems. We'll fit electronic cooling fans to make the car, obviously, so you can sit in traffic, just so the driving experience of such a wonderful vehicle is safe and practical. With a beautiful car like this, I think we're preserving history for our next generations.